Hello everyone, my name is Mutiatur Rahmah. I am from the Islamic Communication and Broadcasting Study program. Right now, I will read an article entitled Islamic Ethics in Using Social Media. Social media has become an important part of modern life. Many people use it every day to communicate, learn, and share information. In Islam, every action should be guided by good morals, including the way we use social media. Islamic ethics teach Muslims to speak thoughtfully, avoid harming others, and use their time wisely on social media. This means we should not spread lies, insult, or gossip. We should also think before posting because every word and image can affect other people. Instead, Muslims should use social media to share beneficial knowledge, kindness, and positive message. In conclusion, social media can be a useful tool if it is used with responsibility and good character. Islamic ethics remind use to use it in a way that bring benefit, not harm. By doing so, Muslim can become good examples in the digital world. Let's make social media a place of good. See you next time.